Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your plants grow bigger and grow a garden. So I don't know if I got lucky or what happened, but basically what I did was I planted some seeds in the on the ground, and then I basically just took out every sprinkle that I own. Not everything. I think I took out like 6 sprinklers. So obviously you're going to plant your seeds, and then you're going to quickly place your sprinklers. If you can, make sure you have the master sprinkler, the grandmaster sprinkler, as well as the legendary one and advanced. I think I used grandmaster and master. I forgot, but I got the sprinklers from the event that they had around a week ago. And I just placed them all, and I left the game for about an hour. Just leave the game. It doesn't really matter if you leave the game more than an hour, just a minimum of 30 minutes, but the longer you wait, the bigger the plants will be. And as you can see, my plants grew to be this size, and they are worth more if they are bigger, but it depends on the plant. For instance, this giant pine cone I think isn't as big as, whoa, I'm sorry, I just saw the price. It was 26, like, is this billion? Yeah, this is okay. It was at 26 billion, but now it's at 31. But as you can see, this is smaller than this, and it is worth more than the burning bud. But I think it's because of the plant itself. It's worth more, I think. I'm not quite sure, but that's how you can make your plants grow bigger and grow a garden. Now, as you can see, my plants are huge. But sometimes I don't add sprinkles? What's wrong with me? Sometimes I don't add sprinklers to it, and they still grow big. As you can see, this one. I actually don't remember if I added sprinklers to this, but I don't know. Well, you can try it out yourself. As you can see, my grapes are big because I did use sprinklers for them. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.